Hey guys, and welcome back.
And if you're new here, thanks for joining us today.
So you may have seen our last vlog that we posted impromptu out of schedule where we left Wildwood because Hurricane Ian was going to pass right through there. And we are in South Florida to be out of the cone.
Right, exactly right.
So today is Thursday, September 28th.
That's right. Wednesday.
Wednesday, September 28th, 2022, and it is like 5:30 right now, and we wanted to come out to the beach and see what it looks like pre-storm because the ice still hasn't hit ground.
I believe it is entering through Port North, I think it's called.
Yeah, I think you said Port North. Yeah.
So it should be there by, I think it was landing around 5 or 6 o'clock today.
Ooh.
Like, just touching.
Yeah.
Not going through it.
So where we're at, it's not considered a hurricane anymore. It's considered a tropical storm, and we wanted to bring you along to see what the beach looks like pre-hurricane. So let's go for a drive around Deerfield Beach and take a walk on the water and see what we see. literally tried to open this door 3 different times. Do you see how windy it is? It keeps pushing. I'm putting all my force into opening this door. Here we go. I think I just got it. My goodness gracious. It's windy. Who's paying at the meter? Just in case. We're coming to you live from Deerfield Beach, Florida. That was a lot of fun.
Always fun.
Didn't even bother talking into the camera because the wind
Yeah, it was whipping us.
is ridiculous. The sand, and I'm hoping when I export this video, I would be able to see the sand is just like flying past us on the ground, just whipping our legs.
Yeah, we have winds of about 25 miles an hour, and we have gusts up to 55 miles an hour.
Yeah.
So it comes and it goes. But it's a ritual. We always come to the beach prior to hurricane and then post hurricane.
On our way walking through the sidewalk, you saw the branch, a really big branch from the tree fallen, and that's what we used in the thumbnail. But that's
about the most damage we've seen, and we've driven 3 or 4 miles around, and that's about it. We'll see tomorrow what we see, but you'll see what we see actually.
Now, I'm not going to close out the vlog here because we are going to come back to the beach tomorrow so we can show you if there's anything different going on here. So as we were leaving, we did see some RVers. We're not going to disclose,
No,
we said,
we can't.
just in case we haven't asked them if they want people to know where they're at.
Right. Location, privacy, and
Yeah,
security.
yeah.
But you guys know who you are.
Yeah.
And you're very special to us. And I was super excited
Yes.
to finally hug you.
Yes, it was so awesome to see you guys behind us. Lou's like, XYZ is parked behind us.
Yeah. I did a little dance and everything.
So it was great to hook up and hug and talk, and hopefully we get to hang out a little bit more before you guys leave.
Yes.
Alrighty.
So we'll see you tomorrow, guys.
We'll see all of you guys tomorrow. Alright, so we're back. It's the next day, and as you can see, everything is super calm.
Yeah.
In comparison to yesterday. The waves were ridiculous yesterday, whereas now it's like nice and calm out there.
Yeah, it's not really windy either.
No, it's a beautiful day out here.
And it's like almost 6 right now.
Yeah. I am going to take a wild guess and say there aren't a lot of sea life that washed up shore, just because really the hurricane didn't come here.
Yeah, it doesn't look like it. It looks clean.
Yeah, but we're going to take a walk around and go check it out. The pier's open today, whereas it wasn't yesterday.
Right.
So we definitely want to go check that out.
We'll do that.
Right? Okay. We're not going to go down to the sand as we thought we would, because from here we are going out. But you'll see along the shoreline that it's completely clean. No wild or sea life out there. But the waters are very calm and beautiful. Well, we hope you enjoyed seeing the post-storm in Deerfield Beach. Not much to look at, but it was beautiful, the calm after the storm.
Exactly.
Right?
Exactly.
The
It's
water
always-
was just so clear
Yeah.
and so smooth.
And everyone was there having fun with their little chairs and in the water, and that's nice to see.
So many people fishing.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It was insane. I've never seen the pier that filled with
It
people.
was jam-packed, yeah.
Wow. And then after that, we really didn't want to spend too much time there because we had to go do some groceries and head over to Lou's sister's house to watch the Dolphin game yesterday. Wow.
It was a tough game.
It was a tough game, and we're concerned for Tua.
Yeah,
Yeah,
absolutely.
definitely.
But we're 3-1. That's not a bad place to be.
Well, we're gonna go ahead and close this out so that I can finish editing and put it to upload today, and then we will get back on schedule as of next Tuesday with the very next campground that we were at. So if you enjoyed this pre and post storm vlog here in Deerfield Beach, Florida, please give us a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you've been to Deerfield, or what are some of your favorite beaches to go to.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button and join our community. Click the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a video. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.
Bye guys.